So this is the app that AI built and it works, but it's lacking that human touch. So in this video, we're going to redesign it so that our app actually feels like a real app. So Meezy and I did a live earlier this week and we talked about the updates that we wanted to make. I'll sprinkle in some moments from that live throughout this video so you'll be able to see like what our idea was and then what AI built. Stay tuned until the end to see our updated app. But yeah, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take out a whole bunch of this text, like it was just not necessary. You know, the scrapbook grid, I think it should look more like a scrapbook. Like, let's have it messier, some rotations, different sizes. I think also a date of when you take the picture could be nice. And when you click on a photo, it should be able to like expand so you can see the whole photo. So basically, what I did was I took all these changes that we want to make and I wrote it out. So like remove progress journal text, remove active quest text, just so the AI can really understand because you might just not understand from a photo. But basically, let's take all these changes that we want to make, let's give it to AI, and hopefully it's able to make these updates. So y'all, let's see. Hey y'all, so this is the plan that AI gave me. If I didn't tell you what AI I'm using Codex, by the way. So yes, it gave me this plan. It looked good. I quickly read it. So I think we can just go ahead and let's implement this plan. I'm excited. So it took 4 minutes for it to make these updates. It gave a little summary, but now let's actually go see if it worked, if it did it. So it randomly changed the color of our app to this bluish greenish color. Like the app was purple before. I did not say to change the color of the app, so I have no idea why it did that. But let's keep going. This has a whole bunch of text too, but we'll get rid of that later. So let's do dancer this time, or let's do painter. We did painter the first time around. Commit to this quest. Okay, so one of the changes, you click up here. Okay, so it has some fix, choose a quest mark. Don't really like how they say that either, but okay, you can change it so that all works fine. That's good. We can leave it that for now.
Also, this like daily proof, capture when honest frame of the work, no polish, no filters, just evidence. We take that out. Open raw camera, we take that out. And I feel like having like the camera emoji instead.
Okay, so the emoji that did not look how I thought it would look. I feel like it should still be the full like horizontal bar, but let's open it anyways. Okay, nice. Let's close it actually.
Instead of pressing see journey to see your first photo and your last photo, I feel like that should just already be there. It doesn't have to be like hidden behind a button. So just put that straight into the app.
So it says your journey so far, waiting for a moment, waiting for a moment. That's fine, no moments yet. Your first photo will start the record. I thought the bottom navigation would be like across the whole bottom. So that's something else we can ask AI to update. But let's start taking some proofs. Let's do it. Nice. So first and latest is the same.
Also think like a date label next to each of them. So you know that one was like March 5th, October, whatever. Just like small and tiny to the side of it.
It has the date.
Right now, when you tap it, nothing happens. Like it doesn't make the photo bigger. So I feel like, yeah, right. So I feel like that is needed. You tap it, you can see it. Because sometimes you just want to relive it a little bit more. You know what I mean? And then you also can't delete any of the photos you take. So I feel like before we launch, you know, you can take a bad photo and just want to retake it. You don't want a bad photo in your grid.
And you should be able to click it. You should be able to delete a moment. Nice. Let's retake it. And then let's just take more like just random photos just to see how it looks in the grid. Take a photo of that. Let's take another photo. Boom. Let's take another photo. Let's do a little selfie moment. Okay, I'm gonna keep it real with y'all. And I don't like this. I don't like this at all. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna change the app back to purple. I don't know where it got this new blue color from. Side quest layer, I don't think it needs a border. The camera icon is awkward. We're going to change that. First and latest, let's also add a date there. And then the bottom navigation bar, it should cover the whole bottom. So let's see if AI can do this. Okay, y'all, let's make these changes. Okay, so that looks better. That's more like bottom navigation-y. So this, I don't think it needs a border around SideQuest Slayer. It's just the name of the app, so let's remove that. We gotta change that. Like, baby, what is that? It's my shirt. That'd be presentable. The camera looks awkward. Give me some ideas of what we could do. Previously, it was open raw camera. That sounded weird and very AI-like. Let's see if it has some ideas. That is way better. Okay, y'all, we're gonna watch it in real time change. Because, like, I never said I wanted it to be, y'all, is this blue or green? Sometimes me in colors. But yeah, it should not be this bluish green. We want purple. This is for amazing. First and latest should also have the date. Ooh, this blue is throwing me off. Flow, y'all. We give the command, and then it makes a change. Let's see how long. Ooh! Y'all, I really like this. I know before I was like, what's happening? But I just needed to work with the AI a little bit, work with codecs. This is looking so much better. I'm actually really excited about this. And now I'm feeling a little bold.
The first thing that comes to mind is being able to upload a photo I already took. I'm the type of person that takes everything in my camera roll and then I upload. So that would be helpful.
So after all those updates, this is what our app is looking like. You can choose your Quest emoji over there. When you go to take a photo, you can upload from your camera roll, or you can flip the camera view if you want to like see yourself like a selfie. Ooh. You could also go to take a photo, and after you take a photo, it will celebrate you. You can see they all have the dates over there, and the bottom navigation bar is now the full width and it works properly. So in the next video, we are going to stress test our app. If you enjoyed this video, definitely subscribe and check out the other videos in this series.